Veteran Extra Rice Incorporated na sa GR Kenyahan mga idol. Pinangunahan pa rin ang team ng Cebu kasama sina Mac Talio at Ice Hontiveros. Samantala, maganda pa rin ang pinapakita ni Mark Doligon para sa team ng Imus Cavite. Kaya tara mga idol, ating panoorin ang kanang full game highlights hanggang dulo. Cebu Greats versus Imus Cavite Brotherhood. Pero bago dyan mga idol, paki-like naman, share at subscribe sa ating channel.
From Davao, wait, dito sa Inares Sports Arena, Ontiveros for 3.
You're gonna see the roster for, and I think Ontiveros is capable more than just the last name that he carries. I think he's a very talented player and a scorer that can actually make waves for the Cebu team.
Mark, no good. Rebound ni Beityong. Ontiveros quickly to Talio. Mac Talio for 3. Yes! Mac Talio.
They're looking like they're very happy playing this game with renewed enthusiasm, of course, with everything that's transpired in the last few days. Talio with 5 straight.
Mind you that we have a big game tomorrow
Exactly.
as well.
So, you know,
Mabigat yan.
of course, the teams that will be playing tomorrow, expect Puckett. Nice to see him back in harness, you know, after going through those injuries. Obviously, yung kanyang kamay, if you're gonna try to look at it, the left hand still heavily bandaged. Buti na lang hindi kanyang shooting hand yan. And Leon Martel is
Ball game. The greats. De La Cruz with 8 seconds to work with. Acuno with a jumper. Got it.
he has a very high percentage relying more on JV De La Cruz, especially when Mark Doligon is not on the floor para sa kanila to be making plays not just for himself but for his teammates as well.
Inside, Martel. Good pass by Mark Meneses.
Vito has 5 points. Not the Filipino basketball fans that time, but he really took the PBL by storm.
Well, before Shaq Taganas, there was Baby Shaq.
Yes, in that
Nasa laro na, pinalitan si Mac Talio. Manzo was ejected in the second period as Kinyahan. Matik yan para...
Meneses is the only guy from the starting unit right now on the floor.
Familiar ka sa mga yan, Javi.
Oo naman, siyempre. Mga kasabayan kayo mga yan.
And look at from MPBL action. JR Kinyahan humingi pa ng foul. 4 points. Taas ng release point ng tira ni Kuya JR.
Kaya ang hirap depensahan eh.
Oh! JP Benedicion. 8 seconds remaining, so an almost 9-second differential. Game clock and shot clock. Hamon to Manzo. Attacks the closeout. Banks it in for 2.
Familiar floater.
Tried the same move right there.
To see both teams really competing and battling until the final buzzer. Especially because they also have an objective to complete.
Oh! That, 1-2 punch with JJ Casper. Ngayon si Casper naman ang missing in action because of an injury.
And that's why inconsistency is playing the Brotherhood because
Manzo is ahead of the pack. June Manzo will finish. And Coach Britt.
Each veteran or legend ay nakatutok sa bawat posisyon na dati nilang linalaro. For instance, si Paulo Hubalde is always on June Manzo's ear. Tapos, ngayon strict daw siya sa conditioning nila. Generally, you will really see the time and effort invested are genuine sa Delphin having.
Maraming salamat, Mika. And really just goes to show that they're carrying that Cebu name across your chest now.
yeah, you know, I've mentioned it over the course of the past. I mean, I think 2-3.
Oh, so but if during those times, sabi,
Dahil matindi na rin kasi talaga yung nangyari. You know, they can't help but to, you can't turn a blind eye to what happened.
remember the days of na sila Al Solis, a lot of the greats, Elmer Cabajo,
Hardo.
hindi na nga ako lalayo pa dun eh. Junmar Fajardo.
Remember, there was a time when both he and Greg
Manzo, natapik from behind ni Koga. Doligon, Bumuelo, Doligon leans in. That won't go. Rebound Doligon. Koga to De La Cruz. JV with a finger roll.
I like how he
Koga gets it to Doligon. 7 points for Mark. Make that 10. Para kay Mark Doligon is first. 8th turnover of the game for Imos. Talio, 3, got it.
started off this
Most identical in game clock and shot clock. Nakasona ang Cebu. Doligon against Ontiveros. Soriano providing the pick for Doligon. 5 seconds. Doligon gets some separation, and Mark Doligon looks at the bench of Cebu after draining that jumper. This game, the Cebu at 1 point led by 12 as Alvin Bechong.
points below his average right now, and I'm sure he's gonna go well and above that. He's doing practically
Long with the rebound. Siya na yung nagdala ng bola dito, binigay kay Mac Talio. Talio back to Bechong. Alvin, he will get the roll.
soft touch.
Are to contribute. Talio, nabitawan ng bola. A defense by Koga. De La Cruz will lay it in.
Made sure that
Bechong against Kaunan. Alvin inside the paint. And that's more like it. Basibas fires, rattles that one in. And De La Talio, bigay kay Manzo, wide open. A 3 para kay Jude Manzo. Doligon. Mintis, rebound, Basibas. Basket and 1. JB De La Cruz, there's a switch. It's Basibas. Atakihin ng depensa ni Desiderio. Reggie Boy ties the game at 49.
able to come up with something positive.
De La Cruz will fire. Got it. That's a 3. Para kay JB De La Cruz. Bechong gets a running start. And look at Paul Desiderio. 8 seconds. Doligon. 3 seconds. Against Desiderio. The jumper from Mark. It's short and weak. At kompletong appliances brand ng Pilipinas. 1 point game. Adlawan will drive. No. Meneses cleans it up.
A little bit of a wild dikit ang laban.
Doligon against Martel. Doligon nakalusot. He gets the 2 points and Imos is back. Gets it to John Hamon. Martel. Atake si Lian Martel. Drives right to the cup. Pass. Talio with Hamon. John Hamon for 2. With that fast break opportunity.
Asado masikip dun sa kanan eh.
De La Cruz is shot making. Sabihin snap tayo dito, di ba?
Di naman tayo stop.
Oo. Mac Talio puts it in. Doligon puts his head down. Atake. Turnover. Kinyahan ahead to Talio. And with Hamon, Hamon will finish. Dito mo yun?
Oh, kita ko yun. Happened right in front of us.
Kinyahan. That's sweet. Doligon has it against Meneses. Doligon on the move and right on cue. Mark Doligon.
At this age, he just suddenly rose up to this kind of form as you see Talio there. Something inside.
There's a switch here.
Yep, mismatch.
Oh, nakabalik si Basibas on JR Kinyahan. Trying to close the deal here. Kinyahan knocks it down. Long way to go, but with the way the teams are right now, the biggest matchup of the season so far. Meneses.
Invented. It all started, for me, it was that JV De La Cruz foul. That certainly was the signal that they were raising the white flag.
Without, at this point, you're gonna get a few baskets and, just trim the depth.